In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a squeeze page in Systeme IO. A squeeze page, also known as an opt-in page, is a focused page designed to capture a visitor's email or other basic details in exchange for something valuable. The goal is clarity, speed, and a strong reason to sign up. Start by logging in and clicking Funnels. This takes you to your list of funnels so you can quickly find the project you want to work on. Select your funnel to open its steps. Inside, look for the squeeze page or opt-in page step. This is the specific page where your form and headline live, and it's what visitors will see before joining your list. Click Edit Page to open the drag and drop editor. This is where you'll make all your visual and text updates in a simple point-and-click way. Begin by changing the headline text. Keep it clear and benefit-focused so visitors instantly understand what they get. Short, strong statements work best, and make sure the font size and color are easy to read against the background. Next, edit images. Replace any default or unrelated visuals with something that aligns with your offer, like a mock-up of your lead magnet or a friendly, relevant photo. Use high-quality but lightweight images to keep the page loading fast. If the editor lets you crop or adjust spacing, aim for a clean, uncluttered look that draws attention to your headline and form. Now modify the form fields. Ask only for what you truly need. Usually a first name and email are enough. Fewer fields often mean more signups. Update placeholders and field labels so they're descriptive and friendly, and make sure the form is clearly visible on desktop and mobile. If the editor provides validation options, ensure required fields are set so submissions don't fail. Update the button text to something action-oriented and benefit-driven. Instead of a generic submit, try language that reflects what they receive, like get the guide or start my free access. Make the button stand out with a contrasting color and ensure it's tied to the form submission within the editor. As you work, it's smart to save regularly. When your updates are in place, click Save Changes. That locks in your edits so nothing is lost. When you're finished, click Exit to return to your funnel overview. Your squeeze page is now updated and ready for visitors. Keep your message clear, your design simple, and your call to action compelling, and you'll set yourself up for higher conversions.